In response to China's slowing economy and increasing consumer price sensitivity, Pizza Hut, a subsidiary of Yum China, has launched a new store format called Pizza Hut Wow. These outlets offer smaller, more affordable versions of popular dishes like pepperoni pizzas, pastas, and steaks at prices significantly lower than those at traditional Pizza Hut restaurants. The first Wow store opened in Guangzhou in May, and over 100 have since been launched across the country, with a goal of reaching 200 stores by year-end. Yum China is also exploring smaller formats for its other brands, including KFC and KCOFFEE kiosks, to cater to growing demand for budget-friendly coffee. The company's CEO, Joey Watt, emphasized that these initiatives show great potential for the future, particularly in a market where low-cost, high-quality services are increasingly important. Despite hopes for economic recovery after the lifting of COVID-19 restrictions, the Chinese catering sector faces challenges, with profits in Beijing's restaurant sector down by 88% in the first half of 2024.